Now this is one of these incredibly easy truffle recipes that anyone can make at home with just a few ingredients. G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Who doesn't love sugar cookies? And let's be honest, it's probably because of the sugar, but it's still delicious. But I'm going to make a little spin on it today and turn it into a truffle. So join me today as I make my version of sugar cookie truffles. And please check out toddskitchen.com for my fantastic merchandise. Okay, so for the main part, which is the internal truffle part, we only need two ingredients. Firstly being sugar cookies. Now I've made sugar cookies before and I'll leave a link in the description below to all my delicious cookie recipes. And I'll also leave it in the comments section. And for our second ingredient, we just need some cream cheese. And that's all you need, it's that simple. So into a food processor, or you can do it by hand, I'm just going to add in 12 of my sugar cookies. And we're going to process these just until they're nice and fine. Then once they're processed, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of our cream cheese. And again, we're going to process through until everything is well combined. Okay, so see how it's thickened up into larger bits like that? That means it's all combined with that lovely cream cheese. Okay, so next we're just going to grab, say, a small amount at a time, and we're just going to form them into balls. And just place them onto a plate. Okay, so once you've made up the first lot of balls, just place them into the freezer while we get started on melting our chocolate. Just so that they firm up a lot faster, plus they're nice and cold, and it really helps the white chocolate or dark chocolate to set on the outside much faster. Okay, so next I'm going to use some white chocolate. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate if you like. But for this particular recipe, and coming up to Christmas, I'm choosing white. So they're very simple to melt, just place them into the microwave on high for 30 seconds at a time. Give them a quick stir each time until they're completely melted. Okay, so our chocolate is now completely melted. So we're just going to grab each one of our balls, place them into our white chocolate. You'll do it quickly before the chocolate starts to set. Preferably using a fork, just dripping off all the excess, and place it onto a plate. Now as we do this, I'm going to use some sprinkles. You can use any type that you like. And we're just going to place them on top, just to add that little bit of extra color to them. You don't have to use sprinkles if you don't want to. I just find it just makes it look so much better. So it just doesn't look so boring. Okay, so once you've coated all your balls, just simply place them into the fridge for about a good half an hour to an hour to completely set. And look at that, don't they look delicious? They were so incredibly easy to make. The inside, literally 2 ingredients, lovely sugar cookies and delicious cream cheese. Now you don't have to use a food processor, you can bang them in a bag if you like, until all the cookies are nice and fine. It's completely up to you. The finer you do it, it just comes down to texture, to be honest. But when you mix those sugar cookies in with that lovely, creamy, delicious cream cheese, then you have that lovely hard outer coating of white chocolate, topped off with some sprinkles, of course. And these sugar cookie truffles are going to taste simply delish.